Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro M5. Now you can see this is a 14-inch M5 and the RAM is 24 gigabytes. You can see the display is 14-inch and storage is 1 terabyte. This is the battery information. The battery capacity is 100%, cycle count 3 times. And let me show you the version. You can see MDE is 64 CHA. This CH means this is a China version, not US version. And let me show you. This is silver color. You can see the keyboard, the brand new keyboard, only 3 times. Only the battery only 3 times cycle count. Okay, and a little bit dirty. And the trackpad function is normal, no problem. The trackpad function, no problem. And you can see no scratch here, no scratch, and no scratch here. Let me show you the logo surface. Okay, a little bit dirty, but no scratch. It's no scratches. And you can see M5, 24 gigabyte, 1 terabyte. No scratch. No scratch. And you can see the ports. No problem. The charging port, no problem. No scratches, no bumps. Okay. And this edge also no problem. No problem. And show you the other side. No problem. The ports, no problem. And this edge also no problem. And let me show you the 14 display, the 14-inch display. And let me change the wallpaper, the gray color. Okay, now you can see no problem. The display, no problem. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay, and I change another color, the red color. Also the red color, also no problem. This price is about 13,200. 13,200. And let me change another color, the green color. Also no problem, the green color. No problem. This is a brand new machine, M5, 24 gigabyte RAM and 1 terabyte the SSD. And you can see the battery 100%, cycle count 3 times. Okay, this is a powerful machine. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. See you in the next video.